Hi everyone, I'm Brandon. We're here at the coffee shop and I'm here to show you how to make a delicious ham egg Sayonnaise. For today's sandwich, we're gonna have an English muffin, a fried egg, a piece of American cheese, and ham. So many more options that we have for the egg Sayonnaise are also sausage and bacon, and you may also want to put it on a bagel or a wheat English muffin or anything that you like. All right, the first step for making an egg Sayonnaise is that we're gonna toast our English muffin. So I'm just gonna place it right in our toaster. We'll put it in there for about a few minutes. I know that you're gonna be doing this at home, so you can put it in your normal toaster oven or your push-down toaster, anything that you have to toast. So first we're gonna heat our pan. Make sure it gets nice and warm. Then we're gonna put a little bit of margarine oil down. Let that heat up. Spread it all over the place. Next, we're gonna crack the egg. Ah, listen to that sizzle. Now we're gonna flip the egg. Looking good. Adding a little bit more oil just so we can sizzle up the meat and let it brown. Gonna go for a flip. So you want to flip your egg and make sure that it's cooked through all the way. So you see here, we still have a little bit of juices coming out. So we're gonna let it cook a little bit longer while our ham browns in the pan. And next we're gonna add a slice of American cheese. Add it right on top of the egg. And then we'll add the meat right on top and let it melt. Yum, yum, yum. So I grabbed my toasted English muffin, and now I'm just gonna place the egg, cheese, and ham right on top. Yum, look at that. And that's how you make the classic egg Sayonnaise with ham.